stop scrolling if you're tired of chasing shiny objects online, because in the next few minutes, I'm about to hand you a step-by-step strategy that's helping everyday people, not tech geeks, not influencers, build real income streams using just a laptop or phone. And no, this isn't another get-rich-quick nonsense. I'm talking about leveraging real skills and turning them into automated profits. Fast. Let me ask you this. Have you ever spent hours watching how to make money videos and ended up more confused than when you started? You're not alone. That was me too. Bills piling up, stuck in the 9 to 5, trying to figure out how people were pulling in 4 to 5 figures a week from home. But here's the truth. They had a roadmap. And now you can have one too. I came across something that literally changed my life. It's called the ChatGPT Wealth Builder by Vcareall. Think of it as your digital goldmine playbook. Inside, you get access to 300 plus income generating ideas, all based around skills that you can offer online, even if you've never sold anything before. And no, you don't need to be a tech wizard. You don't need to be an expert in coding or marketing. What you do need is a desire to finally stop surviving and start thriving. When I started applying what I learned, I launched my first service in just 2 days. And the first sale, it came faster than I expected. And the crazy part, the methods inside work for freelancers, content creators, students, stay-at-home parents, even business owners who want to scale without burnout. You'll learn how to package your ideas, market them effortlessly, and sell without sounding salesy. You'll literally be building your digital empire piece by piece, and you don't need any previous experience. Let's get real for a second. How long have you been trying? How much money have you spent on courses that overpromise and underdeliver? This isn't that. This is the difference between working hard and working smart. The world is shifting fast, and those who adapt now win big. Don't let fear keep you broke. I've seen students go from $0 to their first $500 week just by following what's inside this system. Others have replaced their jobs completely. These are real people with real stories. No gimmicks, just results. What you'll learn in this powerful guide. 1. Writing and content. Blog posts that rank, sell ebooks and guides, write for clients, create ads that convert, build email lists, viral social posts, scripts for YouTube and Reels, case studies that impress, press releases that get noticed. Just a 2. Marketing and social media. Manage social pages, work with influencers, plan content ahead, write webinar scripts, build your brand, run contests, grow your podcast. 3. Customer support. Set up chat support, use ready-made replies, handle FAQs with ease, get customer feedback, solve problems fast, keep customers coming back. 4. Education and training. Launch online courses, write study guides, offer coaching, start a blog or podcast, host webinars, build certification programs. 5. Creative projects. Write stories and poems, script for videos, create comics, share design ideas, post art and photos, develop recipes. 6. Freelancing and consulting. Build resumes, offer marketing help, make business plans, do money research, grow brands, get freelance work. 7. Digital products and e-commerce. Write product listings, sell t-shirt designs, try affiliate marketing, create paid memberships, publish on Amazon, sell downloads. 8. Research and analytics, study markets, track trends, understand customers, read performance reports. 9. Automation and tools. Automate daily tasks, schedule social posts, set up lead systems, collect feedback, smooth customer onboarding. Link in the description and get a free bonus worth $327. After your purchase, just message me on Instagram. I'll send you your free bonuses right away.